guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about the products that I've purchased more than once, and it's almost to the point that I'm obsessed with these products. I want to repurchase them like multiple times if that's possible. If you have seen my past 4 or 5 videos, you will think that all these videos are showing same products, but literally that's just me being honest to some of the products that I genuinely love and want to recommend to you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here's the most obvious product for me, at least, because I use this product like almost every morning, and so many influencers and people use this product on a daily basis, and that is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. This is how it looks like. I love this in particular so much. Focus, yeah. I love this product so much simply because how beautifully does it clean my face without stripping off any oil or any natural, like glow. It just brings that glow and cleanses my face really well. I think they've improved the formula. They've even like increased the price. It shows 429 here, which is like a lot for this small chotu si bottle. I just simply love this chotu wali bottle because I can literally travel anywhere with this bottle, and I don't have to think a lot before like investing in this one. So it's just like every month I can repurchase this. So yeah, I've purchased bottles and bottles and bottles of this, and I'm not bored or tired of it because it simply suits me so well that I love it. Next up is this is the Madagascar Centella Ampule from Skin 1004, if that's what they call. I love this serum so much, mostly because how light and like watery it is. This is almost like, see, this almost feels like a toner. So if you are somebody who loves toner, or if you have oily skin and you want something lightweight, something more gentle, I think this is going to be a thing for you. On days when I get those bumps, redness or irritation on my skin, that's when I use this. Yesterday I used this because I have a lot of flare up going here and here, so that's the best time to use this one. Anyway, I use it every single day because I love it. I use it in the night time. In the morning time I use something else, or maybe I'll not use anything. I just use once, I just use it once a day, and that is literally it. I'm already planning on buying like the 50 ml badi wali glass wali bottle. The only reason I'm scared is that it is a glass bottle. I do not want to break it. So yeah, that's the only con, but I love this. It is expensive, but on Tira it is available on sale. Next up is my recent favorite, not a recent favorite actually. I got it like 2 months back, but I've been using it since then because I've been trying it out, consistently using it, testing it out, and I can surely say that this is a dupe of a Korean sunscreen. It's the Episoft. Everybody talks about the Episoft AC Moisturizer Plus sunscreen. This is such a unique and a great formula. This will hydrate your skin but also provide you SPF. I'm already planning on buying one more of this because I'm already done with this, and I love this one because also how it is so lightweight. It is not at all like sticky, and it's quite affordable. You can also buy it from like any pharmacy store if you don't want to buy it from Nykaa, but this is really good. So yeah, 10 on 10 points for this because I'm definitely gonna repurchase this, and I love this. Next I have is the Dove Go Fresh anti-persistent stick. This is a beautiful formula. In fact, I'm going to use it now because मैं अभी लगाना ही भूल गई हूँ. So I wish I discovered it little bit before because this is that good. Okay, and that's also not the best part. The best part is it's not sticky. It doesn't make me feel oily or sweaty underneath my arms, unlike so many deodorants that do that. I love Nivea one. It does the job very well, but that's the problem with it. It is so sticky sometimes. I literally feel uncomfortable underneath my underarms, and I don't want that. So if you are also somebody who does not like that feeling, I'm sure you would not like that feeling, so that's when you can buy this out. Okay, let's talk about makeup. So the most favorite primer that you've ever seen on my channel and that I've used consistently, like apart from making videos, has to be the Pore Minimizer Primer from Inside. Does this remind you of something? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's the exact copy of Benefit Pore Minimizer Primer. Matlab, they have blatantly copied the packaging. but I'm here for the formula. I love this formula. I got this with like zero expectations of like buying a product that I would love, but turns out I love this one. It is so cheap and yet it really blurs out my pores. You will never see my pores when I wear this. Like, you just can't find them. And that's the beauty of this product. It is cheaper. Like, it is so cheap than the Benefit one. So for girlies like me who can't buy the Benefit one, please invest in this one. Not even invest, just get this one. It's so cheap. I am already planning to buy a bigger one. I've added it into my cart, so I'm gonna buy it from Nykaa anytime soon, and you will see me constantly using it. So if you're bored of seeing this on my channel, you better get used to it. Okay, coming to some makeup products. This is the Mars lip liner. I literally have two of these because I only use this. That's it. One is in the shade 04 Scandalous Brown and the other is in the shade 12 Brown Mocha. Both of these lip liners, I swear to you, are the best lip liners. They just cost 60 rupees and you get this. You get the best lip balm of your life. I'm wearing it currently. Currently I'm wearing a lip combo actually. So one thing that I'm wearing is the Scandalous Brown lip liner. This is what it looks like. This looks red currently on the screen, but this is like pink, red and brown. तीनों colors को अगर mix कर दिया जाए, so this is what it turns out, and this is how it looks on my lips. I love this ones because not only these are so cheap, but constantly I reach out to it. I have other lip liners, but I don't reach out to them as much as I reach out to these, which clearly shows that Mars is the winner. I really want to try more products from Mars. The way they're winning is incredible in the market, and I simply love it. Like, I have used this one more because this is brown. So Brown Mocha is like a true brown. If you're a brown lip combo girly and you like brown lips more, then this is for you. But if you can do like red, pinks and you like something which I have done, then this is for you, which is the Scandalous Brown, and this is the Brown Mocha. Okay, talking about one of my favorite mascaras that I've repurchased again and again, has to be the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. This is so pretty and this is in the Cosmic Black. I purposely got this one for its packaging. I mean, it looked so cute to me. I was intrigued to try this out. I have never seen such a lightweight mascara ever. Like, Maybelline just makes the best mascaras, but this one just tops the list for me. I have tried so many mascaras from Maybelline, but this has something special in it. It is so lightweight. I am currently like wearing just one coat, but like, I love it. I still like it. I absolutely don't mind a lightweight, gentle mascara. It does the job. If you like apply 2-3 coats of it, it's really gonna curl your lashes. And use it with a lash curler, it's gonna make even more difference. So yes, like, this is for 500 or 600 rupees and I just had to buy it because I love Maybelline mascaras anyway, and I've grown up using them. And I'm pretty sure if you are a 2000 girly like me, you must have also used Maybelline Sky High or Maybelline mascara, and once in your life Maybelline mascara. I mean, every girl must have, because they've just come up with the best mascaras all the time. There is one body care product that I want a lifetime subscription of. It is literally this, and there shouldn't be any doubt about it. Dove body scrubs have changed my life, and how they are the most versatile body scrubs that I've ever used in my entire life. They just make my skin so smooth and soft. I don't have to use anything. Like, I never even reach out to any scrub other than this one. I actually tried buying one scrub and I was like completely disappointed. I mean, I liked it, but it was like just not as good as this one. Then I got this one and I just knew that this is my love. Like, this is my forever love. I'm gonna change the variants. The one I have is the pomegranate seed and shea butter. This is good. I want to try other variants, and this smells so good. How many times I'm gonna talk about this on my channel, I don't know. I swear, if you want to watch me, you have to get used to this, because this is just my life in a box. The best product ever to exist for me, and I swear I am never bored of it. Another product that I have repurchased more than once has to be the deep cleansing oil from DHC Beauty. This removes my makeup and all the gunk from the day like this. literally so simple step. I use this when I double cleanse my face. Every single day I do that procedure, and I focus it here and here around my nose, and sometimes even here as well, because I get so many blackheads and whiteheads on this part of my face that they can't just go with the face wash. Never depend upon a face wash when you want to remove your sunscreen, your makeup. You need oils like this. So I oil pull my entire face using this product, and it is so good. It never makes my face red. This is the problem. I've used other cleansing oils, but they just make my skin red when I wash my face, and that is not the vibe at all for me, because it just irritates my skin further. But when I use this DHC, it never disappoints me. It never makes my skin red. I massage it in for like 2-3 minutes, and then I wash it off and go in with my face wash. It never disappoints me. It cleanses my face so well that I never feel that I need to change this like cleansing oil ever, because I love this cleansing oil so much. It never irritates my skin. It never makes my skin red. It doesn't break me out the next day. Super gentle, super calming. If you have sensitive skin, go with this one. It is expensive, I get it, but the amount that I get is a lot, so I don't mind to spend a little bit extra on cleansing oils. That's really important for me. So if it's important for you too, you can invest in this one. Okay, we've reached the end of the video, and I have the last and the favorite product, which is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. I have shown it, I use it, I'm never disappointed by it. Look at the amount I used. Pura patla ho gaya yahan se. But the fact that I'm going to repurchase it again, because I'm almost about to finish it, it's still here. I can finish it anytime, it's still here. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish it anytime soon. So I'm going to buy it. It's soap free, it's so gentle. Again, the same thing. Most of the skincare products that I have are very gentle, because my skin is very irritated and sensitive almost every single time. So these products really help my skin to calm down, make my skin feel better, and in general they don't irritate my skin. Okay, so I almost forgot to talk about this product and I repped the video, but this is the Rome and Juicy lip tint. This is also what I'm currently wearing on my lips. I have loved this entire year in 2024, and I am still like so hooked to this that I keep using it. It just like brings out my complexion so well. These lip tints are super genius. I've never tried any other lip tint in my life, and I straight up went to Romand because I knew that they're going to offer me something very nice, and that's when I used it. And I kid you not, I want to buy it again. Like, I'm still scared that once it's finished, I really want to buy again. And it's expensive. It's like 800-900 rupees. The fact that I love these is genius, and I can even swatch it for you guys. Like, yeah, there you go. So the one that I have is in the shade Almond Rose, and this is literally the perfect brown, not brown, but like perfect pink that I like on my skin tone. So many lip tints can wash me out easily. It's quite evident when I see other people, but this color never washes me out, and the formula is also very, very nice. It is very hydrating for a lip tint. It is just like an expensive and good quality lip balm, but like you can see on my face that it matches to my skin tone so well. Currently I'm wearing makeup, but I'm only wearing tint and blush. That's all that I do. So I mean the face tint and the blush and this lip tint along with some lip liner and some mascara. But talking about the lip tint, if you see the shine and the hydration, it makes my lips look fuller, instantly fuller. I don't have to use lipstick when I'm wearing this. This is just what all I do. I really want to try it in multiple ways. I mean, you can wear it with a lipstick. Sometimes I also do that, but apart from that, on its own also it looks pretty good with the lip liner, like how it's looking on me. So I think that is it. Already I'm planning to repurchase this sometime soon, so please get used to watching me and using this product. So I think I've covered everything in the video. I hope you guys liked watching the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also to let me know what more do you want to watch, and yeah, that is it. Bye guys, see you next time.